Hello. Today, we will be discussing an important and crucial topic for our future success: skills that must be learned before it's too late. We will talk about 5 skills that are very necessary in all aspects of life, and that will play a fundamental role in our future that has become threatened by artificial intelligence. In this video, we will learn about these skills and how we can acquire them. Let's get started. Skills that must be learned before it's too late. Before we move on to solutions, it is important to understand why these skills are vital. Here are the 5 main skills that we should all learn. Time management. Managing time effectively is a vital skill for achieving goals and productivity. Learning how to organize your time, set priorities, and avoid procrastination can help you accomplish tasks more efficiently and reduce stress. Effective communication. The ability to communicate clearly and effectively is one of the most important skills in personal and professional life. Learning how to express your ideas clearly, listen well, and understand the feelings of others can improve your relationships and increase your chances of success. Emotional intelligence. I'm sure you haven't heard of this skill before. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and control your own emotions and the emotions of others. Developing this skill helps you deal with difficult situations, build strong relationships, and make informed decisions. Problem solving. Facing challenges effectively requires strong problem-solving skills. Learning how to analyze problems, think critically, and suggest innovative solutions can help you overcome obstacles and achieve success. Continuous self-learning. In a constantly changing world, the ability to continuously learn is essential. Developing self-learning skills helps you keep up with technological and cognitive developments and enhances your chances of achieving professional and personal success. How to acquire these skills. Now that we've covered the skills, let's focus on how to acquire them. Step 1. Recognize the importance of skills. The first step in acquiring any skill is to recognize its importance. Take time to think about how these skills can impact your life, relationships, and career. Accepting the importance of skills lays the foundation for change and development. Step 2. Identify areas for improvement. The next step is to identify areas for improvement. For example, if you are struggling with time management, identify the main reasons for this and start making plans to improve this point. Self-assessment helps you direct your efforts effectively. Step 3. Find educational resources. Finding educational resources is a vital step. There are many books, courses, and articles that can help you develop these skills. Take advantage of technology and the internet to access the resources you need. Step 4. Apply what you learn practically. Learning theory alone is not enough. You must apply what you learn in your daily life. For example, if you are learning how to manage time, start applying the techniques you have learned to your daily schedule and tasks. Step 5. Continue learning and developing. Finally, focus on continuing to learn and develop. Skills require continuous practice and continuous improvement. Look for opportunities to apply your skills in new situations and continue to evaluate and develop your abilities. To sum it up, understanding the importance of these skills and developing them is the first step toward success. By recognizing the importance of skills, identifying areas for improvement, seeking out educational resources, applying what you learn in practice, and continuing to learn and develop, you can make significant progress in your professional and personal life. Remember, change takes time and persistence, so be patient with yourself and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need additional support. Thanks for watching, and take care.